Subscribe and share our CIS News Studio 1s channel. And click the bell button to receive news updates. News headlines.
Azerbaijan showcases upgraded Soviet-era military hardware with Israeli and Turkish enhancements. At the Azerbaijan International Defense Exhibition ADEX 2024, Baku showcased older Soviet-era military hardware upgraded with Israeli and Turkish military technology. The event, held in September, featured Su-25 Frogfoot attack aircraft and T-72 main battle tanks, both modernized by Turkish and Israeli companies. The upgrades reflect Azerbaijan's strategy to extend the service life of its older equipment while adding modern capabilities. Baku also introduced JF-17C Block III fighter jets from Pakistan and showcased advanced drones. Other modernized Soviet-era weapons, such as ZSU-23-4 Shilka anti-aircraft guns and 9K-33 OSA missile systems, were also on display.
To receive updated news, subscribe our YouTube channel.